Welcome to my YouTube channel. This section is about three Excel topics. One is protection. It means we can protect only for specific cells such as formula cells, constants, and so on. And the next one, how to hide only formula cells if we are having any confidential formulas. Before sending this particular workbook, we can hide all the confidential formulas that no one can see it. And the last one, protection for complete workbook. Without the password, we cannot open that particular workbook. So we can set password for specific workbooks as well. So if I want to do some changes, anything on this formula cell, it's not coming up. It has been protected. So also I can't see that formula. It has been hidden. If I want to unprotect it, I'll go to the review and unprotect. It will ask the password. The next one, if I just open that particular workbook, it should ask the password. Without the password, we cannot open this. So it is asking the password. Once I put the correct password, then only it will open. Let's do this task step by step. This is the topic where we are going to protect only specific cells. Example, here I am having each application wise sales data. We already received a sale values from the month of January to August. According to that, we just updated one function called sum, then formula from B5 to M5. But let's assume we are having a lengthy formula. So just one example, if I am sharing this Excel file to many people, they should not do anything here, wantedly or unwantedly. If they do in case of any wrong things, again it's very tough to rectify these kind of formulas. So I'm going to protect only specific cells. That I don't want anyone to do some changes on that formula cells. So I need to give a protection for formula cells. Before that, I need to select the complete sheet. I wanted to give the protection for specific cells, but why I need to select the complete sheet? I'll just tell you. Once I select the complete sheet, I'll press Ctrl 1. Format cells will come. In this format cells, there is a last tab name called protection. It has already blocked, locked and hidden. We need to uncheck these two boxes. Once I unchecked all these two boxes, then I'll click on OK. Because I'm not going to lock for the complete sheet, only for specific cells. So I need to uncheck these two boxes. If it already unchecked, then no problem, we'll just come out of this box. If not, we need to make it as free. Then I wanted to select only specific cells to protect, that is formula cells. Without selecting manually, I'll just press Ctrl G, Alt S, press F to select the formulas and hit enter. It is selecting the formula cells. With the help of this selection, I will press Ctrl 1. I'll go to the protection. This time I'm going to lock this. I'm clicking OK. Then with the same selection, without clicking anywhere, I'll go to the review and I'll just protect it. It is asking the password. I'll give one example. Enter. Re-enter password to proceed. 111. Finished. If I just send this data to many people, they'll just come and check the formula. But wantedly or unwantedly, if they try to delete that, it will not, because it has protected. But here, delete, it's not happening. If I type something else, it's not. If I just update the sale values, for example, someone wants to update the sale values like 50,000, then as of now it is showing as 45,000. If I just update that completely, it became 95,000 something. It means in the background formula will work, but nobody can do anything. One more topic here. I don't want someone to see that formula because it's a confidential formula. Nobody should do copy. Then first I will unprotect this. Unprotect with the proper password. 111 example. Now I can do anything because it has unprotected. Control Z to come back. Now my task is to hide and protect the complete formula cells. Nobody should see that formula. Then according to that, the first step is to select the complete sheet. Control 1, we need to uncheck all these two boxes. Then clicking on OK. Now I can select only formula cells. Control G, Alt S, formulas, hit enter. It is selecting. Control 1, format cells, protection. Along with this locked option, I'll just enable this hidden so that nobody can see that formula. Click on OK. With the help of this selection, I'll just go to the protect sheet. Under the review, I'll put the password 123. One more time. Finished. If I just click here, there is no formula inside the formula bar. No formula here. If I want to do some changes, if I just press delete button, it will not happen. So there is no formula to copy. If I want to unprotect with the password 123. Now I am able to see that. Not only for formula cells, it's up to us. If I want to protect only for constant records, for example, already I received sale values, which is very important, sale values. Then from here to here, nobody should do any changes here. Then first I will select this complete sheet, Control 1, protection, and check these two boxes. Then select required cells. I'm going to select from here to here. Then holding the control, I'll select the required cells. Then Control 1, format cells and protection, lock this. With the same selection, the last step is protect sheet. If I didn't give the password, also it will protect. But whenever I'll unprotect, it won't ask the password. Directly it will unprotect. See, now it has protected. Without the password also, we are able to protect. If I just unprotect, it is unprotected. I'm able to delete that. Finished. Or if I want to give a password for complete workbook, then I need to go to the save as, file, save as. But what is the shortcut key for save as? F12 is a shortcut key for save as. Then before that save option, there is an option called tools. Under these tools, we need to select general options. Under the general options, we are able to provide the password to open 123 example. Password to modify, it's an optional one. Again, it will ask you the password one more time if you want to do some updation. Then I'm okay with password to open. Click on OK. Re-enter 123 example. If I save this file, whenever I'll open this file again, it will ask the password. If I put the correct one, then only it will open. Later, if I want to remove that formula, again I need to open that Excel file with the proper password. Save as, tools, general options. I need to remove the password here. Then I will save this to remove the password. Finished. So like that, we are able to give a protection for specific cells and giving a password for complete workbook as well. Once you give the password for complete workbook, if you share that particular workbook to your colleagues or someone else, they need a password to open that. We should provide the password along with the file as well. So this is a topic about protecting